of this YouTube channel or IGTV. I hope you have a great day at school. So today, our science project is we're going to make a lava lamp. Because this is a February, I'm going to put a sequin on it, okay? So all you need is simple household thing. It doesn't need to be fancy stuff. First you need is vegetable oil or cooking oil. You can ask your mom and dad or your guardian for these. And then you need water. And then, of course, you need mason jar. This mason jar is multi-purposes, and then I'm using the 8 ounces one. And then you need Alka Seltzer. Without Alka Seltzer, you cannot do very much on this project. But if you don't have Alka Seltzer, you can use dental cleaner or something like that. So, and then, of course, if you want to add food coloring, but if you don't want to, it's up to you, completely optional. And then sequins. I have this fun pink confetti. Or if you don't like pink, you can use any other color, like the green thing or whatever color you prefer. Okay? So, okay, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first is you're going to open your mason jar like that. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pour water in here. I would suggest like put it like half full. It doesn't need to be all full. Like half full like this is fine. Next thing is you're going to take your vegetable oil or cooking oil, whatever you prefer, and then pour another half cup like so. You can use measuring cup if you want to, but in this case I'm just like going to eyeball it like so. Okay, so you see that's a separation of water and oil because they never mix together. So that's how it's going to create something like that. Okay, and then the next thing is if you have a food color, you're going to put like 3 drops, but if you don't have to, if you don't want it, that's fine. So I'm just going to put 3 like this. See how cool is that? Okay, and then you take your Alka Seltzer tablet. The powder one wouldn't work because it doesn't as strong as the tablet one. The tablet one will be the perfect one. Alright, you're going to put it like so. Now wait a couple minutes until it reacted like so. Then after that, after it's bubbling, and then you're going to put the sequins on the top of it. Okay, see how cool is that? It starts to react like that. And then you can put it, the lid back on. Secure it tight, and then you can put it in your bathroom or in your study room if you prefer to accompany your study. It will be cool if you turn off the light and then it will glow in the dark too. So it should be fun. This is like a DIY heat lamp or lava lamp then. Okay, so that's a project for today. If you have any question or comment, just leave us the comment down below. And then don't forget to watch our story time and our Make It Monday. Until next week, I'll see you guys soon, and you guys have a good week at school.